There are 200 counters in a bag. 38 counters are red, 52 of the counters are blue. The rest of the counters are yellow or green. There are the same number of yellow counters and green counters. What percentage of the counters in the bag are yellow? So, the rest of the counters are yellow and green. So the first step is to work out how many are yellow and green. And what we're going to do to find that is we're going to do the total number of counters minus then the red and the blue. And red and blue added together is 38 plus 52. 8 plus 2 gives you 10. 3 plus 5 gives you 8, plus the carried 1 gives you 9. So I'm going to do 200 minus then 90, and that gives you 110. So 110 of the counters are yellow and green. We're told that there are the same number of yellow counters as green counters. So I'm then going to do 110 divided by 2, and I'm going to use the bus stop method here. So how many times does 2 go into 1? Well, 0, so we'll carry it. How many times does 2 go into 11? Well, it goes in 5 times, which gives us 10, which gives us a remainder of 1. And then how many 2's in 10? That's 5. So that then gives us 55. So we've then found out that there are 55 yellow counters and 55 green counters. We're looking for what percentage of the counters in the bag are yellow. And in order to work this out, it's going to be the yellow ones divided by the total and then multiplied by 100. So we've just found the yellow ones are 55. And we're told at the top that the total number of counters is then 200. So it's 55 over 200 multiplied by 100. What I'm now going to do is try and get the denominator of our fraction, which is currently 200, then to become 100, because when we then have 100 and multiply by 100, these will just simplify through, and our percentage will just be the numerator. In order to go from 200 to 100, we're then going to divide by 2. So we now need to divide 55 by 2. So I'm going to put the 2 on the outside. How many times does 2 go into 5? Well, it's 2 with the remainder of 1. How many 2's go into 15? Well, 7 gets us to 14, which therefore does mean that we're going to have a remainder. And the difference between 14 and 15 is 1. And then how many times does 2 go into 10? That is then 5. So it would be 27.5. Like I've said, a denominator of 100 and then multiplying by 100 just gives us the numerator. So in this case, it would be 27.5%.